Krishna. Can destiny make us do bad things? Answer: by destiny, we may be put in situations as well as in dispositions where doing a bad thing may seem very feasible or may seem very alluring, but we are never stripped of our free will. Destiny cannot force us to do bad things. So, for example, if a person is living a morally upright life, then by destiny they may be tested by being put in a situation where they have an opportunity for immoral indulgence, and it may also happen that at that time their disposition can also be weak. They may have had some quarrel with someone, they may have faced some adversity in their life. So, that combination of the external tempting situation and the internal vulnerable disposition may make them especially prone to succumb. But destiny does not force. Destiny puts us in situations and then we make the choice. So, destiny never takes away our free will. Sometimes it may appear as if in that situation we had no choice. And yes, even if it is like that, still as soon as we realize, okay, I made a wrong choice and I need to do course correction now, and then we can correct ourselves. So, rather than worrying about some future situation where we may be forced to do something bad, we should focus simply on doing the good right now, trying to act as wisely, as prudently as possible right now. Of course, if someone else acts wrongly in particular situations, then we, out of our sensitivity and out of our human kindness, can recognize the role of the situation and the role of their disposition in their succumbing to the wrong, and we can attribute it to destiny. So, destiny does not take away the role of human free will and the responsibility of human beings to choose rightly, but it can make us more understanding when some other people do something wrong. And even if we sometimes do something wrong circumstantially, we do not have to justify it by calling it as destiny, but we can be more understanding of ourselves. Okay, this happened, but now that situation is not there, now that disposition is not there, so now let me act better. So, yes, destiny can sometimes prompt us to act in particular ways, but if we are vigilant, if we are having a strong intelligence and a strong willpower, especially both of which can be strengthened by our spiritual practices, then even if destiny puts us on the precipice of a moral fall, we will not fall. Thank you. Hare Krishna.